Hello, in this section I will show you how to upgrade firmware. ESP32. What is firmware? That's ESP32 here. We need to upgrade complete firmware. Firmware is mean that the program to control car is not web page. Program to control car, so need to be updated. What we do? How we do that? The first time you need to open Arduino IDE. Make sure you have programs already available in your projects. Example here, I need to try. I have robot final number 3. So I want to update the firmware to robot car. The first time, I need to make sure. I open robot final trace and I make sure that it select this ESP32. This is board selection here. ESP32, okay, ESP32 select. And comport, I don't care because I don't program directly. I just update it by Wi-Fi, so I don't care about the port connection. So make sure here, this is more important. Flash size, I select 8 megabyte and select 8 megabyte from here. And secondly, this one SPIFS will set 8 megabyte. That's more important. If you put wrong, you cannot download properly because the wrong flash size. So what I'm doing secondly, after selecting these two options, I go to sketch. I click export binaries, and your project will generate binary files. Where location of this file? This file location in here. After you click update, it will create a file inside this folder. In the project folders, go inside build, and it's file here. This is the file you want to upgrade. So then you will open web page of Raspberry Pi. Go to home page. ESP32. This is home page ESP32. Go inside configs. After going to config folders and going down here, you see data sending to place by WebSocket. Yeah. So what in click firmware, it's moving. So it's better using different of this click firmware. After click firmware, you choose the file you want to update. Choose the file you want to upgrade, the robot tree, and build. And click here and robot final tree. Now, when you select robot final tree binary files, already select and click update, and wait for some time until you have a upgrade finished. Like feedback from ESP32. Yeah, update firmware successful. Well done. So waiting for some minutes, it be reset, and going down. Now you see nothing. We need to refresh the page because it be just refresh the page. Now coming down here, okay. Now and you see app and sensor forward sensor is enabled for protections. So and then going up. And the firmware for robot already updated. I tried. Yeah, firmware update successful. Now we can try testing the operation of robot, if we can operate or not. Yeah, let's start robot and try to change speed, and yeah, robot's working. Now you can see the RPM, and we can see the motor speed. Yeah, motor speed here. Yeah, motor speed. RPM. motor speed left and motor speed right. You can see motor speed. Okay, now we successful upgrade firmware for ESP32. Thank you very much.